Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing materials. Pick a thread that slides through the eye without forcing it, and cut 12 to 18 inches to reduce tangles. Once cut, pinch the tip between finger and thumb and moisten slightly or rub with wax to stiffen the end. This makes threading faster. Make sure the needle is held with the eye facing you at chest height. Now move immediately to aligning the thread and eye so you don't waste time fumbling. You hold the needle steady using your non-dominant hand, gripping the shaft just below the eye to stabilize it. With the other hand, compress the thread tip between thumb and forefinger to create a narrow point. This reduces fraying and increases success. Bring the pointed thread toward the eye in a straight line and gently push through. Patience matters. If you miss, withdraw slightly, reform the tip, and try again rather than forcing or angling awkwardly, which widens. Once threaded, pull 3 to 4 inches through and either double the thread for strength or tie a small knot for hand sewing, depending on your stitch. If the thread frays, cut a fresh tip and re-stiffen. Frayed fibers are the usual cause of failure. Make sure to work in good light. If visibility or the eye size is the issue, use a needle threader or a magnifier to align the thread precisely. That solves most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.